How's it going, YouTube? Alright, so I figured while I was sitting here doing a couple other short videos and all that, I would keep making as many videos as possible. I might turn them all out at one time, or I might just put one out every couple of days or whatever, so that way I'm not going for weeks at a time without doing anything. Right now I've been working a lot of overtime lately, which I normally don't do. Have the choice of being on the overtime list or not, and I chose to be on it right now during this pandemic we're going through with the COVID-19, just because it's mandatory for anybody on the overtime list to they have to work their scheduled day off. So I get Sundays off every week because obviously we don't deliver mail. Our new hires, which are our CCAs, they do work Sundays delivering Amazon packages and UPS packages and things like that. But the regular carriers, we get every Sunday off. So, but right now I'm working my regular day during the week, which is when I was, tending to do videos and things. And with our city not being locked down, but it is, they have shut down the parks and things like that because people were going out and having large gatherings and things like that at the parks. They went ahead and closed all the parks in the county that I live in. Luckily, I'm close to another county, so I can still go fishing when the weather's nice. Right now it's kind of crappy. But I wanted to do a quick video, or another quick video in regards to the lock and load AP primer pocket Swage tool that I purchased to go with my Hornady lock and load progressive press. And I have actually ran this through its paces, and I have actually swaged every 556 case that I have here. Some of you who are maybe new to shooting or whatever may not know what a 556 is. 556 is the military version of the 223, and they come with they have a crimp around the primer to help keep it seated in the case, and it also helps add a little bit of moisture resistance, things like that. Well, when you knock out the used primer to reload these cases, those crimps will not allow you to press another primer back in. It's just a hair too small, so you got to ream them out. And I was always using the little hand reamer. It's got a little handle on it, and you can just crank it a few times and bevel out the top edge so you can get a primer to go in, or you can attach it to a drill. If you have screw together like 3-piece cleaning kits or whatever, you can use one of the rods to screw it into it, so you can use a drill or whatever. That got to the point where it was just beating the crap out of my hands. I mean, you're sitting there having to hold the case and run it, and it was inconsistent and everything. So I ended up buying the Swage tool for my press and all that, so I could just pull a lever and run with it. I actually got it to where I set it up to where it looked good for across different brands of cases, because a lot of the reviews I'd read said that they had to adjust it for different brands. All the Winchesters would be fine, then all of a sudden Remington wouldn't be that good, or whatever other brand of military case they were running, whether it was Lake City or some of your other foreign brands. I found a happy medium on mine, and I've actually loaded 1,500 rounds after doing that, and I have not had a problem with seating any of my primers. The Swage tool works really well. It's just a matter of just pulling that little arm and dropping another case in. Every time the arm goes up, you drop the case in, and I was averaging 100 cases every 8 minutes. So I was doing roughly 800 an hour. So I've got quite a few cases I need to finish trimming or doing prep work on, so I can finish loading all those. You can probably see on the camera that I have a lot of bullets sitting over here. And of course I buy mine, and they're all, almost everything I buy is Hornady. They're right here in my home state of Nebraska, so I try and keep my business with them. They do make outstanding bullets and ammunition. Currently, all I can get my hands on for 223s were the little soft points. You know, they're not fully jacketed. They do what they need to do. I mean, with my AR-15, that's 0 to 300 meters. I'm shooting 3-inch groups, roughly, at 300 meters with iron sights. So I'm not going to complain about basically a varmint hunting around. But so yeah, if you have the Hornady lock and load AP press, I would recommend getting the lock and load AP primer pocket Swage tool. Definitely makes it so much easier to take once fired cases and reload them, so that way you can keep shooting without having to buy new cases or buy more ammo and then have to reload what cases you have, and save your money in the long run. So if you guys like the video or like any of my videos, make sure you click the like button, subscribe so you don't miss out on any content that I do put out. I'll be putting out all kinds of other content in regards to hunting, fishing, reloading, firearm maintenance, reviews on different firearms that I personally own, firearms I may buy in the future, gardening. Who knows, because I'm a do-it-yourselfer kind of guy, and if I can put a video out there with what knowledge I have on how to go about doing something, if it helps somebody out, then that's great, and if not, well, you guys carry on, and I'll eventually have something that maybe will help you out. So you guys have a good day and stay safe out there.